Hey, how is it going, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you all how to set multiple timers using Siri, and I want to show you how to delete multiple timers using Siri. So let's get started. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes for hot dogs. Set a timer for 5 minutes for bacon. All right, everybody, so now you can see here that I have my timers up and running. They're doing their thing, right? So next, hey Siri, delete the timer for hot dogs. Delete the timer for bacon. Set reminder for 5 p.m. purchase protein powder. Set calendar event for tomorrow, 5 p.m. attend bike rally. So as you can see, I can do multiple things with Siri. I'm just going to be making these videos showing you guys things that you can do multiply with Siri. If you guys have any special requests, let me know. I know there's been some people out there that have complained saying that Siri isn't very useful, but I find Siri incredibly useful for the things that I do. For example, you just saw what I did there, and Siri always, for me, nails the basic stuff or the normal stuff really, really well. If you want full-blown artificial intelligence, well, there's ChatGPT right there. There's Google Gemini. So, we'll see what Apple does with their own artificial intelligence. But for now, you see some of the things that I'm doing with Siri, and I'm going to continue to make more videos. All right, everybody. Bye.